Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Polkadot price prediction and Polkadot news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polkadot in 2022. Polkadot is an open-source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset type, not just tokens, and thus makes a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. This interoperability aims to create a fully decentralized private network managed by users, as well as to simplify the creation of new applications, systems and services. Polkadot was created by the Swiss-based WEB3 Foundation, which was founded as an open-source project to build a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web. Its founders are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer and Peter Chapin. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Polkadot. Is this a roadblock to Polkadot's recovery in the months ahead? On lower timeframes, there was some indication on the charts in the past couple of weeks that Polkadot saw some compression in its price action. This could continue for a few days to come, before volatility to either direction for DOT. However, on longer timeframes, an accumulation phase could be in play for Polkadot. The indicators did not show strong buying pressure yet, and the bearish market structure remained bearish. Polkadot has seen huge losses since November, when it was trading at $54 near the ATS. In the past 3 months, the $16.81 level has served as support. In the past month, the $15.88 mark saw a daily session close. However, the price has registered higher lows in recent weeks. Was it enough to stall the downtrend? Can DOT push higher from here on? It was not clear yet. $19. $61 and $20.34 are levels that DOT would need to climb above from here on to give an idea of a bullish leaning for Polkadot. Long term, the downtrend has not yet been broken, but it could be in the days to come. Even past $20.34, the $23.1 area would still be likely to offer strong resistance. The RSI poked its head above the neutral 50 mark. This could be an early indication that the long-term trend could be on the verge of shifting. The awesome oscillator also crossed above the zero line, which could again be seen as a signal of a shift in bias. There remains a long way to go, though. The OBV has been sliding downward since November, but in the past 2 weeks, it offered the possibility that buyers were slowly entering the market. They weren't the dominant side yet, though. Conclusion: the price action and indicators showed a faint possibility of a shift in longer-term bias from bearish to bullish. It was quite early to tell, and $20.34 and $23.1 remain levels to beat. The overall market conditions still read to fear and uncertainty. Hence, risk-averse investors could wait for buying opportunities. Flipping $23.1 to support would be an encouraging sign for bulls, and a buying opportunity in preparation for a run upwards. And second news: will this weekend of lower liquidity see Polkadot push past $19? Polkadot climbed past $17. 5 on the charts, and flipped it to support before its move toward $19, but buying pressure seemed to be lacking in the near-term outlook. Bitcoin was trading just above the $39K mark, and the short-term direction of the king of crypto on the charts was not too clear either. Weekends are also times of lower liquidity. Will Polkadot's rally push past $19, or was the selling pressure likely to be dominant? In the past week, Polkadot had traded within a range from $16.17 to $17.57. This midpoint of this range was at $16.87, and had some confluence with a longer-term support level at $16.81. In the past few days, DOT has found some support at this confluence of support levels. On the first attempt at a breakout past the range highs, DOT was unable to hold on to the range highs when $17.6 was flipped to support. Bitcoin saw a pullback to $38.8K from $42K, and DOT was forced lower as well. On its second attempt, the price was able to establish a higher high, near term, and also find demand at $17.6, which meant that the short-term market structure was bullish. To the north, the $19 area posed significant resistance to the bull's endeavors. Therefore, a near-term buying opportunity could arise at this level were flipped to support. To the south, the $17.6 would need to remain unbroken for DOT to climb higher. A session close below $17. 6 could see DOT fall back towards $16.2. The RSI stood at 62.16 and showed strong bullish momentum in recent hours. However, it also displayed a bearish divergence between price and momentum. The awesome oscillator also appeared to be forming a lower peak even as the price pushed higher. Alongside, the OBV showed that buying volume has not been particularly high after the retest of $17.6. Support: local bitcoins is removing trading fees for Ukrainians using the exchange, including those within and outside the country, until further notice. In a press release, local bitcoin's chief marketing officer, Jacob Blomberg, said, "Local bitcoin's core value is freedom. We understand that at the moment Ukraine is facing extremely challenging times. For this reason, local bitcoins has removed all fees from its Ukrainian users. The exchange added via Twitter that the move means that all registered Ukrainians have a free wallet to use to send and receive Bitcoin. Ukraine will also have a viable means to convert donated Bitcoins to their local currency, hryvnia. Crypto transactions have seen a marked spike in both Ukraine and Russia in the about 7 days the conflict has lasted. Per data from Coinmetrics, crypto exchanges operating in Ukraine including Binance, Local Bitcoins, and Kuna have seen significant surges. Hryvnia trading pairs with Bitcoin, BTC, Ether, ETH, and stablecoins like Tether, USDT, have risen to some of their highest levels ever, the report added. Meanwhile, Ukraine continues to see massive mobilization of support from the crypto community. Crypto donations to the government of Ukraine, as well as other entities and NGOs supporting the country, have surpassed $50.9 million, going by Slomist's dashboard, monitoring the various crypto wallets. The government of Ukraine has also been expanding the number of cryptocurrencies it accepts from donors. Having added a Polkadot (DOT) wallet yesterday, it has today added an official Dogecoin (Doge) wallet. Ukraine has also announced that it will carry out an airdrop for crypto donors. As always, by the end of the video, a little analytics and forecasts for the coming years for those who are going to invest in this cryptocurrency. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Polkadot (DOT) a good investment? Polkadot Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Polkadot (DOT) prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $24.40. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Polkadot's maximum price could be up to $27.45 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Polkadot Course Prediction 2023. The OTs have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Polkadot, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $40.82. DOT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $35.11, a minimum price of $34.13, and a maximum price of $40.82. DOT Price Forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Polkadot price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average DOT price will rise to around $49.06 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year may end with a maximum price of $59.25 with a minimum price $47.65 level. DOT Price Prediction 2025. DOT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Polkadot price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Polkadot exchange rate will be almost $65.94. The maximum bet we can get